to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys, how can we disable reading mode setting in our Redmi phone. Friends, you want to disable your reading mode settings of and you can disable easily. And friends, now let's see how to turn off reading mode, means how to disable in our Redmi phone. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So then first of all open your phone setting guys, and guys you can see your screen color is different. So then click on your display setting guys, tap here. Friends, you can see your reading mode setting guys, tap here. Friends, you can see your reading mode setting. Friends, you want to disable guys, you can disable from this right side guys, this icon guys. So after disable guys, you cannot use guys this adjust brightness setting guys. If you use this setting, so you will have to enable your reading mode again, then you can use it. So like that guys, you can disable your screen, you can disable your reading mode setting in your Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching guys.